Hi guys, today we are going to go through the Amazon affiliate program. So, if you know what affiliate program is, it's basically you promote other people's product through an affiliate network or through the affiliate links which are given by the product owner or the affiliate network which you are assigned to. And once the users who click your link and actually end up buying the products, you earn a commission from them. So it is basically a revenue sharing model where you just promote the products, and you know overall you get commissions for each of the sales which you make or made from your website, from the social media platforms, or through any way you share the links from. So same way Amazon also provides a affiliate program which is owned by Amazon, and basically they call it as Amazon Associates, where you can promote the products whichever you feel like. If you have a niche, or if you have a website where you want to show the same products related to your website and you want to sell them to your users, you will make commissions from them. I will go into how you can become an Amazon affiliate or share the links and make money from that. So we'll get into that. First, we'll see whether the Amazon affiliate program is basically useful. What are the pros and cons if you should be joining Amazon affiliate program or not? So Amazon basically provides advertising fees or the percentage from 1% till 10%. That is the maximum which Amazon provides. It little less than the other the product sellers. uh, but you get a variety of products to sell, advertise from Amazon, and it's easy and free to join as well. So we'll see that. So let's get into the benefits of Amazon affiliate program. So first, we'll go with the pros, which is there. Uh, so it is a well reputed and trusted brand. So as you know, Amazon is the biggest seller in United States, and it is covering other Asia Pacific regions and Europe. So yeah, it is a big brand and people trust it. Almost all the brands and the goods are available for you to promote. That is another good thing. You will get extended benefits. They have some other programs related to bounty and others, which we will discuss in later in the video. They have a highly supportive support team which will help you in resolving any of the issues which you face, or any issues related to the your commissions, or any questions on how you can get started. So they have a lot of documentation available, very highly supportive. So yeah, that is another thing. It is safe and reliable as compared to the other affiliate, their platforms, their marketplaces, where you can go and get registered and get a lot of links. Whether you made a commission, not made a commission, you never know. But being an Amazon, it is a safe and reliable platform. And as I said earlier, that it's a marketplace which covers broad range of niches. So if you are let's say if you are a health uh, related, you have a health related website, there are a lot of health related products present in Amazon, which you can refer to your you know uh, visitors, and they can buy it, and you can in turn make a commission out of it. Same way, if you are a specific to toys, then the Amazon lists lot of kids toys which can be sold, and you can refer to your visitors who is visiting your websites, or you can even do the promotions on the social networks like Facebook. If you have a group where like 1,000 people are there, and you promote a, let's say, a toy, and if 5 or 10 people also buy it, you get 10%, but 10% commission of each of those sales. So yeah, it is good. And yeah, it's a very powerful platform. We will surely discuss that, how Amazon affiliate provides tools and methods which can be used to make money. Now, coming to the cons of it, uh, being Amazon affiliate, yeah, there's a little low affiliate commissions. It ranges from 1% till 10% based on the categories you choose. I'll show you in coming seconds. And the other important thing from the affiliate program is the cookies, which last for a shorter period, that is only 24 hours. Basically, other platforms or other product sellers which are there in the market, their affiliate links usually ranges between 15 to 30 days. So if any user or the visitor clicks on your website link and he goes to the product seller page, it creates a cookie at the in their laptop or in their computers, which lasts for 15 to 30 days. And whenever they buy an item from uh, that place, and if that cookie is there, you in turn get the commission. That is how basically the affiliate program works. In case of Amazon, they have only 24 hours of cookie. Means a person, if someone has clicked the link on your website and he goes to Amazon, and if he, in that 24 hours whatever he buys, you get a commission for it. Okay, so that's little less, but being they have a huge number of products, it's fine. Now, the other important thing is they don't love PayPal. So most of international sellers usually use PayPal for getting the money out of any of the affiliate marketplaces, or you know uh, or investing anything. But they don't have any PayPal. They do direct bank account deposits. They do provide tax documents as well, so we will discuss that as well. Okay, let's go to the amazon.com and see how to become an affiliate. So we'll go to amazon.com, and you don't have to find a link. You just scroll down to the bottom where it says make money with us. Amazon has lot of programs under which you can make money on Amazon. You can sell products on Amazon. There is another program where you can sell using Amazon Escalator program. Then you can sell on Amazon Handmade. You can sell some services on Amazon, and you have an Amazon business account where they give your business on much more discounted price. And yeah, so there are a lot of programs, but we are interested in becoming an affiliate. So once you click on become an affiliate, you have basically come to this page. It says affiliate-program.amazon.com. The link says affiliate program, whereas Amazon call their affiliate as Amazon Associates. And it is free to join. You can click on join for free. It will ask for your Amazon login ID password. You give Amazon login ID password. It asks for some more details. Basically it asks for all the details, that how are you going to uh, promote their products, on which websites you're going to promote your product, the social networks where you're going to promote your product. So it'll ask for all such details. Okay, so it's free to join. It's easy. You have to just fill a small form. For advertisement, you have over a million products to advertise to your customers. It is very large network. It has a lot of products. You will earn from 1 to 10% of advertising fees, which I will just go to. And the other thing is Amazon Bounty program. So once you uh, add yourself as an affiliate, you will automatically get added to this Amazon Bounty program, where there are some Amazon uh, products or Amazon programs, like Amazon Music and Prime, Amazon Prime members. So if you promote those, and if user joins using the link which you have provided from your affiliate portal, you get commissions for them as well. So there are a lot of such services which we'll discuss in future. uh, so this is the place where you can actually join for free. So yeah, once you submit your application, filling all those things which you talked about, your application goes for a review process, where they review your website, how much content your website has. Generally within the last 60 days, how much data has been uploaded to your website. And you must own your website, so your website should basically show that you are the owner of that. uh, if you're going to promote the products on mobile applications, then your app must comply with their mobile application policy. You can read that. If you're going to promote the products on social networks, they do accept the social networks like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and Twitch.tv. But it is little difficult to get into your social network application approved so easily. So because they see number of organic followers you have, number of likes you have on your post, and So such kind of things, but you can still give a try for your social networks. So once everything is done, you know your application gets approved. They actually allow you to promote their products even before your application gets uh, you know uh, review gets completed or approved. You will get all the access to the links and tools and everything to promote the products. The amount of the money you make during that review process will be given to you even if your application is not approved. So you can always submit a process, and then you can start publishing the links to your users and visitors. So that should be okay. Now there are some other things which you should. They have the qualified purchases, the disqualified purchases, so all those standard terms are there. You will have to accept those terms to move forward with your application. Now coming to the fee schedules, that how much uh, percentage of amount you're going to make on which category. So it's listed on their fixed standard fee rates for specific product categories. So if you see for the luxury beauty or the Amazon coins, they give 10%. Other than that, it's only 8%, 6%, and other categories. So based on your uh, availability, you can see which products you want. Product category, you can see which one you want to, which products you want to, you know, promote, or which category you want to choose from, and you can see how much percentage of money you're going to get from those. As I said, there are bounty events based on which there's a specified bounty rate. That's the dollar amount you're going to get. So let's take an example of Amazon Music, which has an unlimited Amazon Music Unlimited, which has a free trial going on. If you promote this and a customer clicks on the affiliate your affiliate link, you basically make $3 for each of those registration which happens. Same thing, Amazon Prime, if someone joins, you get $3 for that. So these are the different Amazon bounty programs. You can start promoting on your website, and based on that, for each of those bounties you will get a fee for it. So this was all basically about how to become an Amazon Associates. Okay, so let's log into Amazon Associates account and see what all things are there in the Amazon Associate account. So once you log in to the Amazon Associate account, this is how it will look like. It will show the your IDs and everything, and this is the home page. So if you see in the home page, they do provide lot of options in the kind of banners. See, earn $3 bonus for the first pet orders. So you will get $3 for any such kind of orders which you will get. So the main thing is product linking. So these are the different tools which are provided by Amazon uh, to get the links from the Amazon associates and promote it on your website or the social networks. So first thing is the product links. You can directly click and you can get a lot of, and you can search for the products and you can make the links from it. There are different kind of banners which are provided by Amazon. I can click and show you different banners options. So if you scroll down, so they have these different kind of banners, uh, easy links, banners by category. So you can browse through it and you can find relative things for yours website or mobile ads or social networks, and you can do that. There's a link to any page where you can click again, and you can uh, you know choose any of the categories, and you can link to that directly that page. So all the important all the products on that page will be shown on that preview. Okay, the best part is promotions, where you can, the first thing is featured promotions, Amazon bounty programs, and Amazon promo code. So these are the three which are basically used by most of the people to promote to do the promotions for Amazon. So if you go to promotion and bounties, first one, the featured promotions, and if you scroll down, so here are the different promotions which are offered by Amazon, and you can uh, promote the same things. You can get the banners for it, or you can get the links for these pages, and you can make you can make a decent amount of commissions from each of these products. And again, going to the bounty programs, this we have discussed multiple times, so you can make a lot of money here as well on based on different kind of bounty programs which are being run by Amazon. Okay, so now moving to the Amazon promo code. This is the one of the best thing which Amazon has started provided, and this I see lot of people are making a good amount of money using the promo codes. So if you scroll down and if you see, you can choose the different categories here as well. There's an option to choose the categories, and once you see the category, and based on that you can promote the products. And if you see here, so it says save 60% on select products. You don't need to care about who is selling it, and you can choose the promo code, and this will last through 126. Basically it has what 5 days from now, and you can sell lot of you just need to promote this product, and people will keep on using your promo code till 126, and you're going to get each of those commissions whenever click on they click on the link and use this promo code. But basically this promo code is not only for you, it is valid for all the affiliates. Okay, they should be clicking on your link to go there to buy these products. They can save 60% using this code that is there. So these are important things. And now coming to the tools, so there are different tools how you can generate these links uh, without logging into your Amazon Associates. So fun is for the first one is site Stripe. I'll show you that. So if you enable the site Stripe, what will happen is once you log into your Amazon account, okay, so if you see on this top it says Amazon Associate Stripe. It doesn't come, the Stripe doesn't come for regular users, it only comes for Amazon Associates. So if you're browsing a product, let's say I'm browsing this product and I want to sell this product, or give the link for this product to my users, I'm going to click on text here, and it will directly generate the link for me. Same thing, I can get an image and link, or I can get text and image. So this is how I can generate the links directly. So you have to enable the site Stripe here. The link checker that checks the links. The product advertising API, I'm going to make another video how you can use this advertising API. This is a very good tool to use, but it requires a programming understanding. But I'm going to show you how to use those and programs to generate a lot of products, because using these promotions you might not be, you'll have to click each of the every product to find the products. But using an API you can just run a program and all the outputs will be generated in a decent format which you can publish to your website. So this is one of the very strong or powerful thing which has been given by Amazon. And the other thing is the link builder plugin from WordPress. So most of the websites are on WordPress, so you can download this and you can use this as well to make the links. Reports and help. So if you go to the reports, this is how the reports looks like. This is the period for this month. So this is the amount which it shows. This is how the clicks have happened, number of ordered items, shipped items, the total earnings, and these are the products for which people has bought, or you know they have made it. So this is how the reports look like, and there's a help section where it shows what are the different items on it. Yeah, so this is all about Amazon Associates program. If you guys have any questions, do ping me on or do comment on this video. Please, if you like the video, subscribe it. I'm going to post a lot of other items about Amazon Associates. I'm going to go through this product advertising API as well, which will help you guys to get the products faster and better products to publish on your websites or social networks. Thank you, everyone.